Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, wow, energy. So today I'm off to work and it's only 7 a.m. Sorry if my voice is cracking a little bit. And I want to share with you guys the mask that I'm wearing to work. So we know that now it's the new normal, right? Like we go to everywhere with mask on. So, and I feel like mask is like part of our outfit already. So I want to share with you guys this mask that I recently got at the Victoria's Secret that is actually really simple, but then it's nice. So this mask is actually like has a pink lining and has like a black outer fabric, and there's a logo that says here Victoria's Secret in gold. It has an adjustable strap so that your ear doesn't hurt, or it's not, you can adjust, you know, like based on the shape of your face. And this mask covers from the nose with this and up to here, and then it covers the whole chin, and you still have room to breathe because it has this kind of, I don't know if you can see it, it has like this is not bone, but it is like a seam that actually shapes like your nose, and there's like a room to breathe in it. So I'm gonna put it on right here. So it's like that right there. It covers the whole nose right here, and it's tight over here so that, you know, there's no droplets. And right here, all the way down here is also like covered. And this is the adjustable strap right here. I think the adjustable strap is a little long, but yeah, it's like that. And then if you can see, it's easy to breathe in it. So I'm sharing this with you guys because I get a lot of compliments at work. Like I ordered 3 of these and I just wash it at night, and then the following morning it's dry. So it's a quick dry. It's a really nice fabric. It's like a satiny feel fabric, and it's only $9.50. Right now they only sell it online, they don't sell it in their stores. So if they still have it, just grab one. I know you're gonna like it. It has like a very cute, like a pinkish, not really pink, but like a blush lining like a blush lining inside. And yeah, so there are different kinds of masks. They also have one in pink, and they have one in Victoria's Secret, the other design, like a, it's actually shaped like a bra. It's actually shaped like a bra cup. So just check their website and you'll actually, you know, like see what are the designs, and you can choose colors from pink as well. They have, I think, 5 or 6 different colors, and yeah, you can choose from there. But this is the one that I like because of the shape that's like this. It's simple and it's pretty. Yeah, so yeah, so if you want to order this mask, check out their website. I'm not sponsored with this video. I'm just sharing with you guys because I get a lot of compliments at work. They go like, oh, your mask is pretty, your mask is pretty. I'm like, oh, thank you. So like that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. But that's it, guys. It's a very quick video. I'm just sharing with you this kind of mask because I think it's pretty. And yeah, again, this video is not sponsored by Victoria's Secret. I bought these with my own money, and if you want one, check out their website, victoriasecret.com or pink. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.